Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? Hello, I mean you. How are you doing today? I believe you all are doing fine by God's grace. Okay. Um, I just don't know how I am feeling. I am feeling so much joy in me. There's this joy in me that I'm talking to my wonderful friends, wonderful family that I have at this side of the world, like this social media, YouTube, because seriously, I with my time frame these days, I don't really have like 5 minutes to spend on YouTube or making new videos. Okay, it's really choking me, but I keep getting questions and questions, and I don't feel fulfilled if I don't answer questions. It's giving me the joy to do more. And to those my friends that always check out on me, like, hello, I haven't heard from you. I've not seen your video recently. I hope you are doing fine. Really, you guys are the brain behind this, okay? You guys are the brain, and the cool reason why I am here again with this fresh topic, like I want us to deliberate on. First, I would like to tell my friends thank you for sticking around, thank you for being by my side. And then to those my friends who are yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know why, maybe you're yet to be convinced. Maybe, let me put it like that. But please find out if in fact, try and subscribe and then turn on the notification button. Okay, it's going to save you a whole lot of stress, so you don't miss any of my updates. Because anytime I have little time, like, I will come up with something fresh. Okay, is a promise, and I will continue doing that. Okay, I don't need to waste much of our time. I want us to discuss on T junction, and then four T junction. Like, we have T junction where three road meets, and we have four junction where four roads meet. I keep telling us, you do this, you do that, and we do that. Yes, I still want us to do. So I still want us to talk about this, because before you embark on any journey, there are things you need to know. I pledge with you to forgive me. This video is supposed to have come earlier on, okay, earlier before now, but I'm sure by God's grace we are still in try, because we've not done much videos about T junction and then all the rest of it. But today, I want you to please know this and have it at the tip of your finger, so that before you embark on any journey, you know where exactly you are going. You know if you are going for revenge, or you're asking for favor and prosperity. So these two things has two different, dimensions to take. Okay, so where do I start from? I will start from telling you about this. The spiritual controls the physical. Yes, in though Christianity came up with the idea that all those things are dicks, they keep condemning them, but I still wonder, who created all these things? Is it not the same God you worship? It's good you have knowledge. It's good you test to knowledge and to know the best for you, so you don't be a coward. These things are natural things, natural gifts that God Almighty gave us, because He knows that in times of trouble you still need to be rescued. So you don't fold your hands, don't fold your legs that this will happen. Or no, 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 not at all. These things are natural. There is no going extraordinary into it. Okay, so what do we know about this T junction of a thing? When we talk of T junction, I'm referring to, or we are referring to, a point where three roads, maybe local road, maybe not constructed, or constructed road. Okay, so as long as it's road, and especially what works more is those tiny track road that has been for ages. There are some new road that they are newly built anyway, though they work. Okay, fine, they work, because as long as it's four corner junction, there is something that's going on there almost every day. Maybe in midnight when you are fast asleep, you may not know, because you cannot see them with your physical, and you're just mortal. Okay, so when we talk of T junction, the letter T, one, two. dot. Okay, at the end there is a join, there is a point, so that point is where we are referring to. Let's take for instance, you're asking for mercy. If you're asking for mercy, you've done something wrong. Maybe you abused your chi, or you abused your talents or something, and you need to reclaim it back. And we, please, and there is something you need to do about T-Junction, or you're going to do at T-Junction. Please pay attention to this, because if you are asking for forgiveness, for riches, for protection, anything that is in favor of you, it's not revenge. Please, you are going to do it at Four Corner Junction. That is four. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the junction, if you're asked to drop cola, or if you're asked to drop anything, please look out for Four Corner Junction. When you are looking for favor, protection, riches, or you want the blessing of the forefathers. For instance, if I don't know where you are coming from, but if you are coming from an area that believes so much in all these things, you will notice that sometimes you wake up in the morning and you see a whole lot of sacrifices. You see some people will drop some certain things. It's not in vain, okay? Because you don't believe, it doesn't mean you have to castigate them. Whatever you believe on works for you, okay? So if you watch anyone that is being sacrificed, although you may not know the reason, at Four Corner Junction, that person is asking most time maybe for fruit of the womb, financial breakthrough. You are looking for something to favor you. That is where you ought to do it. But if you're looking for revenge, if you're looking for revenge, somebody did something to you and you're too sure your hands are clean. You're looking for something to revenge. Someone has been, stepping on your blessings. So many things, like you keep wondering, do you still have God in heaven? And you want revenge, instant revenge. You have to go to three T-Junction. Okay, that is where, because the bad ones that doesn't hear please, those strong ones, that is always their roots. That is where they do follow. But this one, they're asking for mercy always. And if you watch my video about what I said about opening of the third eye, you believe with me that I made mention of um seeing stuff as in the way it is. Mm? If you're able to conquer the temptation, and by God's grace your third eyes, they are now wide open, I will implore you not to follow the routes of anything called T Junction, because they will see you and they will not be happy with you. Those ones always, the wicked ones, like those ones that ask for revenge, always follow the T Junction, but they make one kind-hearted spirits follow the Four Corner Junction. So it is a secret I would like you to please have it at the back of your mind, so that if you're embarking on any spiritual journey that requires anything junction or whatever, please know the one to do. If it's 3 T junction or 4, you don't misplace the two. Okay, so I believe you got something tangible today. Why not give us a thumbs up? Yeah, just try and give us a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Okay, I hope to see you pretty soon with another interesting video. Okay, and before I say goodbye to today's video, please, if you know you look anything you want to do, especially when you want to get something from your ancestors, from your chi, yeah, and someone asks you to go there with cola, to go and drop cola nuts there, please, whenever you drop that cola nut, don't look back. No, if you drop the cola nuts those way, don't face it while going. If you just drop it, if you're coming towards this direction and you know you're going towards this direction, please, you're meant to drop it and just pass and go your way. You are not meant to back it, as in you're not meant to look back. That's it. Okay, yeah, so you don't see what you're not expected to see. All right, so I'm gonna stop here for now. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.